Next question is question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Here suppose this is the pedestal. A statue 1.6 meter tall, and suppose this is the statue. 1.6 meter tall statue is on the pedestal, on the top of the pedestal, from a point on the ground. Suppose this is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue. Top of the statue, it means this one. This is the top. Suppose this point is A point, this point is B point, and next one is this is C point, and a point on the ground is D point. Now, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. Top of the statue, and this is the angle of elevation, and this angle is equal to 60 degree. Is it clear? According to the given condition, angle of elevation is 60 degree from the top of the statue. Next one, and from the same point, it means from the same point, this D point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal, it means point B point. It means top of the pedestal or foot of the statue. Both statements are same. So top of the pedestal is 45 degree from B to D point, and this angle is equal to 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. It means this height we want to find out. Let us suppose, let height of pedestal is x meter. Okay. Again, in this case, we will take two triangles. First is A, C, D, and second is B, C, D. And in this case, which value is given to us? In this case, this height is 1.6. This height is equal to x. So total AC is equal to x plus 1.6, and here BC is equal to x. And in this case again, base is not given to us. So let us suppose base is equal to CD. This remains same. CD is equal to base. Now in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, now which value we want to find out? This x we want to find out. So we will use relation here, perpendicular and base relation. This is the base. Again PBP, HHB. Perpendicular divided by base, this ratio is equal to tangent theta. So perpendicular divided by base is equal to tangent theta, and here theta in triangle ACD, angle is equal to 60 degree. So this is tangent 60 degree. Now what is perpendicular? That is AC. AC is equal to x plus 1.6 divided by base. Base is equal to CD is equal to tangent 60 is equal to root 3. When we apply cross multiplication, we obtain x plus 1.6 is equal to root 3 times of CD, and CD is equal to x plus 1.6 divided by root 3. So this is the value of CD from equation number 1. We obtain this CD from both the triangle, and then we can equate, because here two values are unknown to us and we want to find out these values. Next one is in which triangle? In triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD, again perpendicular divided by base. What is the value of perpendicular? X, and base is equal to CD. is equal to tangent theta, and here theta in this triangle is 45 degree. So x divided by CD is equal to tangent 45 is 1, and when we apply cross multiplication, x is equal to CD. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. From equation number 1 we are saying that CD is equal to this value, and from equation number 2 CD is equal to x. So we can equate them, and from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we obtain x is equal to x plus 1.6 divided by root 3. So again when we apply cross multiplication, then we obtain x into root 3 is equal to x plus 1.6. Take x to this side, x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6, and implies x is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. And here this square root term is in denominator, so we have to simplify this term. Multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b, and this value is a square minus b square. So x is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 0.8. So this term is 0.8 times of root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the height of this pedestal, and this value we want to find out.